Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a 30-day UDP custom server and request server for HTTP Custom and Socksip Tunnel VPN. If you've ever struggled to find a secure and efficient server, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have your server set up, but also know how to use it effectively for secure browsing. Let's get started. To begin, open your browser. You can use Chrome or any other reliable browser. Once the browser is ready, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Carefully type Custom UDP and hit Enter. A list of search results will appear. Look for the official Custom UDP website in the results. Once you find it, click on the link to visit the website. Take your time to ensure you are on the correct page. When you land on the home page of the Custom UDP website, spend a few moments familiarizing yourself with the layout. This will help you navigate the site with ease. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called a hamburger icon. Click on it to expand the menu. From the expanded list, look for an option labeled 30 Days UDP Servers. Click on it to proceed further. After selecting the 30 Days UDP Servers menu, you'll notice 2 submenus appear. One is titled 30 Days UDP Custom Servers, and the other is 30 Days UDP Request Servers. We'll start by creating a 30-day UDP custom server. Click on this option, and it will take you to a page where you'll see an account creation form. On the account creation form, you need to provide your details to set up the server. Enter a username and a secure password of your choice. After that, check the CAPTCHA box to verify that you're not a robot. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click the Create Account button. The website will take a few seconds to process your request, and then your custom UDP server details will be displayed. Make sure to copy these details and save them in a secure location, like a notepad file, for future use. Next, we'll configure this server in the HTTP Custom VPN app. Go back to your device's home screen and open the Play Store. In the search bar, type HTTP Custom VPN and download the app. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll be taken to the home page of the app. Here, look for a checkbox labeled UDP Custom. Tick this box to enable the feature. Now, input the server details you saved earlier, including the IP address, username, and password, in the respective fields. Once everything is entered correctly, click on the Connect button to establish the VPN connection. Now let's move on to setting up the Socksip Tunnel VPN. Start by downloading the Socksip Tunnel app from the Play Store. Again, use the search bar to find the app and install it. After installation, open the app. On the homepage, you'll see a gear icon. Click on it to access the settings. From the settings menu, choose UDP Request as your connection type. Then, click on Configure Settings to proceed to the setup screen. We'll now create a 30-day UDP request server to use with the Socksip Tunnel VPN. Go back to the custom UDP website, and this time select 30 Days UDP Request Servers from the menu. On the account creation page, enter your username and password as before. Check the CAPTCHA box and click on Create Now to generate the server. Wait a few seconds, and the server details will appear. Copy and save these details securely. Return to the Socksip Tunnel app. On the configuration screen, enter the server details you just created, including the IP address, username, and password. After filling out all the fields, save the configuration and go back to the app's main screen. Finally, press the Start button to connect the VPN and enjoy secure browsing. Congratulations! You've successfully set up both a 30-day UDP custom server and a UDP request server for HTTP Custom and Socksip Tunnel VPN. Take your time to explore the features of these tools to ensure you're getting the most out of your secure connections. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed tutorials.